All right, we have gotten to a good one here. The key to long-term business. Email automation, guys. Email automation is the key to long-term business. All right, I'm going to say that one more time for all of you. Email automation. That is how you're going to succeed in this business, is your email automation. How many of you, man, I really wish I could talk to every single one of you, but how many of you have heard of making a list? Do you have a list? You know, when people say that, they're referring to a list of emails. Do you have emails from your customers? So let's jump right into that and really understand what that means. Earlier, I talked about how a funnel flows traffic into your from traffic to your funnel into sales, and then obviously that brings money. What I didn't touch upon earlier is simply email marketing. All right, you caught that email in that first squeeze page. So if you caught the email, then what are you going to do with that email? You know, well, the reason why you caught that email is because you're here, you got there, you're going to send them a thank you email, but you're not going to stop. You're going to continue to send them emails that refer them back to the product that you're selling. You know, by the way, when you're over here grabbing people's attention and capturing emails, you're, as a marketer, you're working really hard to capture these people's attention. You know, you want their attention and you put so much effort into getting it. So why not keep it? You know, why not have it in an email list? If you're ever out there, okay, I really don't care what programs you guys end up going with, but if you ever enter a program that says that you can just go from the traffic source straight over to the sales page, run. That program is not teaching you to do the right thing, okay? It is so important for you to get their email. Why? Because, you know what? Let me put it this way, all right? If McDonald's wants to sell more burgers, what do they need to do? Right? They need to find new customers. So that means they're going to find a new piece of land, they're going to buy that piece of land, and they're going to build a McDonald's on there. Well, that's how they make more money. As affiliate marketers, when we want to make more money, all we do is we send an email to our list, the list of people that already are part of our community. You know, you work so hard to get that traffic. Now that it's yours, don't waste it. That right there is the secret to long-term success. And that really leads me into this right here, which is called a value ladder. All right, we're really going to touch base on value ladders in a moment. But the reason that you see marketers that are making, you know, just a couple thousand a year to the ones that are making six figures, this is it, is they value their list. They send emails to their list. And that's really important to understand. So again, I'll jump into value ladders a little bit later. I want you guys to really understand the concept. As a beginner, you want to focus, again, your whole focus is on learning how to be a marketer. Now I'm really going and showing you how you can turn this into, you know, side hustle money, little side income, to all of a sudden now having the potential to quit your job.